Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix cookie run Kingdom stuck on the loading screen. If this happens, it's usually due to cache issue, unstable internet, or outdated files. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves it. Next, go to your device settings, find cookie run Kingdom in the app list, and force stop it. This can help clear temporary bugs. While you're there, tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted files. Don't worry, this won't delete your saved data. Avoid selecting Clear Data unless your account is already linked. After that, reopen the app and see if it loads. If it still doesn't, check the Play Store or App Store for updates. As a last resort, restart your device or reinstall the game. One of these steps should fix the issue and get you back into the action. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.